Once upon a time in ancient Japan, there was a young and brave samurai Taro. He had been wandering for days since his lord's death, as he had failed to protect him in their last battle. Deep shame consumed him, and he lost all sense of direction and purpose in his life. Many days passed, and Taro found himself living alone, aimlessly wandering from place to place in search of peace of mind. One day, while passing through a forest, he came across a Buddhist monk meditating peacefully on a rock by the side of a waterfall. Taro stopped, and the monk looked at him with a warm smile, offering him a place to sit. The monk observed Taro silently for a moment before speaking. "I sense a great sadness in you, young samurai. What troubles you?" the monk asked. Taro hesitated for a moment before confessing, "I have failed to protect my lord. He died because of my incompetence, and I have brought shame upon myself and my family." The monk listened patiently to Taro and then asked, "Does that mean you failed in your duties?" Taro replied, "Yes, I think I wasn't worthy to be a samurai." "I think you don't know about the philosophy of Kintsugi," the monk said. Taro asked, "No, I don't." The monk continued, "When pottery breaks, instead of throwing it away, we put it back together with gold lacquer. By doing this, it becomes more valuable than before. This philosophy is known as Kintsugi." Taro looked at the monk in confusion, unsure of what this had to do with his situation. The monk continued, "You are like the broken pottery. You have been shattered by your failures and mistakes, but that does not mean you are worthless. On the contrary, it is through your brokenness that you can become even more beautiful and valuable. The gold that fills the cracks in the pottery is like the wisdom and strength you can gain from your experiences." Taro listened intently to the monk's words, feeling a glimmer of hope rise within him. The monk's philosophy made sense to him, and he realized that he had been too focused on his shame and failure to see the potential for growth and redemption. "I understand," Taro said, feeling grateful for the monk's wisdom. "I have been so focused on my failures that I forgot about the lessons I can learn from them. I will seek out new opportunities to serve my country and redeem myself." Taro nodded, feeling this newfound sense of determination. He left that place, grateful for the monk's wisdom and eager to embark on a new path of redemption. Remember, your failures and mistakes do not define you. They only serve to make you stronger and more resilient. Embrace your brokenness and fill it with gold, and you will become more beautiful and valuable than before. For future opportunities, goodbye, buddy. I wish you a golden future. The Motivation Journey, signing off.